the ClearJet, you're gonna wanna shake this up, get a nice shake to it so we got all the product working through it, the sprayer, of course. One thing you want to do is make sure you're well ventilated with our product. So yeah, I'll take our A2000 gloss. We also do have this in semi-gloss as well. But what we want to do is we want to give it about a 6-inch spray to this. We want to work it really nice and easy. I don't know if you can actually see some of the color getting just a little bit darker, but we're just going to go left to right on this. Nice small coat. I'm actually going to come out with a light one and I'm going to stop. I'm going to let the product do its thing.
That seemed really fast, really easy. How much yield can you get out of one can with an application like that?
Out of an application like this, we're about 30, 35 square feet in some cases. Depends on your vinyl, your media and your substrate. If it's a vinyl, if it's a canvas, whether you maybe also want to put an additional coat onto it. You can coat this a couple of times and just to protect it a little bit more if it's a fine art piece or a canvas piece as well.
And how long does this dry, or does it take for this to dry before you can handle it?
Clear Shield side, as we mentioned earlier, it's 30 to 40 minutes. On the ClearJet side, we're talking 10, 15 minutes where you can touch it by hand and you're ready to go.
So I noticed you weren't doing the short bursts. Like when I'm spray painting, sometimes I like to do the short burst, kind of finish a line, but you were pretty constant when you were applying the...
That's right.
And that's important.
Real important. You want to just give that 6-inch kind of radius to it, nice and smooth, and work it left to right.
Okay, let's revisit that window perf. Again, just
this is a great product.
So we're being transparent. I mean, it is window perf, black back, and the biggest benefit to this, as we were talking earlier, this has holes. So if we were using something that had the viscosity of what the Clear Shield does, it may clog the holes as it dries, and of course that just completely voids the whole point of a window perf. This is going to go on thin enough and easy enough where that's not going to happen.
That's correct. You know, you put on our Clear Shield product, it's going to crack. It's going to peel in those areas because there's product stuck down in between that hole. Whereas with ClearJet, we're spraying it onto it, we're pulling it off, and you actually see some of the ClearJet in there, but it dries so quickly, right? Gives it that quick drying, and it does not damage any of the print quality, and you pull it right off, and it goes right through all of the perforated holes in it.
All right, so apply it the same way.
Same way.
All right. It's a little tough to see where we've been because we don't have any ink on this, but nonetheless, you see how well that went on. And in just a minute here, we will come back to this and we'll peel it out and we can really see that there's none of the holes got filled with anything. So really cool. I'm excited about that. There's got to be people out there watching this video that are also going to be excited about a solution for that. All right, before we go, might be a few minutes early here, but let's peel this up, and I want to look into the light. I don't see any clogged holes. How cool is that? And it's protected, so the ink's going to look great. Got a nice gloss finish from the surface. I think this is going to really make a lot of people happy. So for more information about these products, the different finishes and sizes you can buy these liquid overlaminates in, visit us online at jdsciencesupply.com or check us out at the number below. Thanks for watching.